Eating watermelon feels like nature's way of giving me a refreshing hug on a hot day. Did you know it's made up of about 92% water? That's right. It's practically a hydration powerhouse. When I sink my teeth into that juicy slice, I'm not just enjoying a sweet treat, I'm cooling down from the inside out. Watermelon is also packed with vitamins A and C, which are fantastic for my skin and immune system. And let's talk about lycopene, the antioxidant that gives it that vibrant red color. It's been linked to heart health and might even help protect my skin from sun damage. So when the heat cranks up, I grab a slice of watermelon. It's not just delicious, it's a smart way to stay cool and healthy.